Live in each season as it passes. Breathe the air. Drink the drink. Taste the fruit. And resign yourself to the influence of the earth. Living intentionally in each day. Making one's life better. Like those little birds who come to get some food. What they actually have. No possessions, only themselves and somewhere to live. When I look at nature, there is so much one can learn by just observing. Creatures live by seasons, using what they got, and not thinking about tomorrow, because it might never come. They live in the moment, doing their best and trying to survive in harsh weather. Life brings challenges, but also joys.